Easy Swing. Hi, I'd like to introduce a new fun part. This is called Easy Swing. It has a male and female and push button on the side. As you can guess, it allows super soft 360-degree turning, and this 360-degree turning allows you to close the buckle in any direction. Here is an example. If you have a shoulder strap with Easy Swing on your gold bag, the Easy Swing starts to move to find the best angle to fit your body movement every second. This effort will lead the most comfortable spot where the strap should be. Same thing is happening on a messenger bag. When you run or walk, you will not feel the awkward angle because of the Easy Swing wheel swinging. It has nice and flat surface, and this will be perfect for good size of logo. You could use the Easy Swing for hip belt, shoulder strap, or in front of flap closer, anywhere you need to find a free angle to fit your body movement with extra soft locking motion.
If you are interested in this new buckle and have any question, please email to below address. And also visit Woojin website. You can find more variety option from it. As always, Woojin buckle will fuel your desire to create better products.